Alright, today we're painting Dark Evil armor for our Lord of the Rings baddies, and I'm using this Mouth of Sauron as our plucky volunteer for this 2-minute hobby tip. First up, we're base coating the metals with an Army Painter gunmetal. I'm using a detail brush here since everything else is already painted. However, you could use a base coat brush if you're just starting out on the model. Next, we'll be thinning down some metallic true copper paint with some war paint stabilizer, with a ratio of around 1 drop of metallic to a couple of drops of stabilizer, which basically will make us a metallic wash. I like to use this at times rather than a natural brown shade paint like Strong Tone, as this keeps that metallic sheen on the armour. Afterwards, for the really dark recesses, I'll run in some dark tone shade paint or just thin down a little bit of matte black with some water, just to deepen down those shadows a bit more. Once that's completely dry, pick out the edges of the armour with a bright silver highlight. This will make everything pop and look sharp and sinister. If you have a hobby tip or a question you'd like me to tackle, then pop them in the comments below and you may just see yours in a video coming soon.